Righty. Righty, so we're just going to give it a minute or two before we actually start the Zoom. So for those that are still waiting to enter the room, I want to say thank you and welcome to 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙣𝙠 𝙔𝙤𝙪. Obviously, I am a crypto enthusiast, and yeah, I am here to basically share my journey on the projects that I actually do climb into. Look, some of them do work and some of them don't, but the main objective is actually to make as much as you can with a little bit that you got. If you do have strong teams behind you, these projects are like amazing to work with. And yeah, so V8 puppets, I don't know if you guys know, but 8 is my lucky number. I love the number 8. And yeah, so it's of abundance and to manifest basically your own way of income. So we're definitely going to be speaking about how to generate some Bitcoin for yourself, and yeah, and hopefully that things will look well in the future with you know, Bitcoin going up and everything. Alrighty, so I just want to let everybody in that needs to be in. Hello and welcome, welcome. Can you guys hear me? Oh, that's good. Alrighty, so basically V8 puppets, what it's all about is it's basically a way to generate some Bitcoin. And if you have a lot of teams, sorry, I'm just going to ask you guys just to mute. If you haven't, wait, let me see if I can mute you guys. Thank you. So basically what V8 Profits is all about is they're a company with a global presence and administrative headquarters in Panama, and basically specialize in courses, tools, and training for the financial market and online marketing. So basically they work hard to bring knowledge and financial results to all of the students and business partners. So basically they're also working into the NFT market. So in 2021, the NFT market had a great growth, moving more than $23 billion. And you know, V8 operates in the market, not only with purchase and sales of NFTs, but also with the creative creation of new arts, which is great. I don't know if you guys have seen, but the NFT market has actually like been a tsunami this last, what we can actually say, like what, 7 months. And yeah, I do see potential in NFTs and trading with NFTs. So basically, sorry if you guys don't mind muting yourselves as I'm going through the presentation of V8 Profits. And basically this is a way to generate money. So it's affordable, and what's nice of it is it does have a binary system, and I'll get to that all now. So basically the purpose is not to work only with existing coins and tokens, but they make it available so that all users can work with their own token. In this way, in addition to facilitating transactions, users will also gain in the appreciation of the token, which is nice. So they do have a CEO, is it 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙣𝙠 𝙔𝙤𝙪, so entrepreneur with 15 years of experience in an automotive industry in commercial and marketing department of SIB. So basically he does have experience in the financial sector and great knowledge and performance in the European and obviously the Asian financial sectors. He's fluent in 4 languages, which is great because, I mean, if you are working, especially like if you're working on the blockchain, you need to widen your perspective, and you need to obviously have a bunch of languages to communicate and build a business globally. So they do have bonus plans, and how it basically works. So for a minimum of 40, that would be about $40 worth of Bitcoin. What you would be doing is, so you will obviously have a Bitcoin address, And what you would do is you would send, once you activate and register on V8 Profits, it will give you a Bitcoin address. So obviously, depending on the package the plan that you want, it's obviously a very via the dollar. So V40, it would give you 0.8%, 250 days, or 300%, and you would gain 40 points, and 6% on the miner side. That would be on your binary sides. And then obviously it would go up to $100, $300, $500, $1,000. From $1,000 packages, the starters, it would give you basically 1% daily income, and then 300 days or 400% would give you 1,000 points, and you would gain 9% minus side. V2000 would also give you 1%, 300 over a certain amount of days, and it would give you 400%. So obviously the higher your packages goes, you know, so it would be like 300 days, where the lower packages would be 250 days, and it would only give you 300%, where your greater packages would obviously give you more percentages and obviously more points. And then on your binary side, you would gain, obviously. And so that is nice for, like I said, if you're small or you want an extra income, or you're doing this for a income, it would be great, like, to this work on both legs at the same time. What I have found of binary systems is always to check your points. So you never want your right leg to run away from your left leg, because then you're going to have to work hard on your left leg, for instance. And then obviously you want to get your incentives, you want to get your, it's like a game. So you want to, it's like a race. So you want to basically hit your level 1, 2, 3, and gain from those incentives as well. So the profit division earns up to 0.8% to 1.2% every day on value of the package. And then you can take note that the bonus will be paid from Monday to Friday. You start receiving earnings 48 hours after the activation. So what this means is, once you do activate your address, it will take about 48 hours. So be patient for it to obviously go through the blockchain and on the system. A lot of people would say, oh my goodness, I already activated it, but nothing's showing. Take note, it does take 48 hours, you know, so that no one can get upset. So then their direct indications. So this is the people that you directly bring in. You'll receive 10% of value of the package indicated directly by you. And then binary, your binary bonus will basically give you up to 12% of all investments made in your smaller teams. So the first direct names from each side only qualifies. And there's a good example right there. So basically, once again, get up to 400%. That is obviously or 300% or 400%, depending on which package you get, like I did explain above. And then, okay, then I got career path. So this is basically the incentives that I was talking about. So for each level that you reach on your left and your right side, if you keep those points balanced, you would reach like a bronze, which would give, you know, it would be like 1,000 points on each side, and you would get awarded $50. And then your silver would give you 3,000 points, and then it will give you incentives of $100. And what's nice is, or you can like reinvest those incentives, or you can withdraw it, or you can maybe give it to somebody that's in need, or that, you know, sponsor somebody into the project that isn't that is not financially stable enough to do this, just to give them a start, you know. So the general information, so please do take note on this. So withdrawals are available only from Monday to Friday, so they only do the trading from Monday to Friday, and then between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. Colombia time. And then the payment is within 48 business hours. 5% withdrawal fees. Minimum cash is $40. So you need to accumulate $40 before you would be able to withdraw it. The first indication on each side of the binary is qualified only. So like we said, obviously the directs. All bonuses add up to expired the package. So daily binary gains, calling in the package value. Sealing the package value, excuse me, I've got contact lenses in, and today it's like so blurry. So basically, welcome to V8 Profits. And yes, if there is any questions, I'll definitely be taking it. This is a short presentation because I know we don't have time to, you know, to sit on a Zoom meeting for hours and hours. And this is quite very simple. And I always tell my viewers as well that please don't invest money that you can't afford to lose. You know, that's greediness, and you know the risks when you do climb into cryptocurrencies. And I do feel very optimistic about this project because it's a booster. It's a booster, and I mean, once you got your teams together, you will see it actually accumulating that money like very, very quick. So if there's any questions, please do feel free to ask.
Yeah. I have my question. I am 𝙏𝙖𝙪 from Pakistan.
Hello.
And hello, how are you?
I'm well, and you?
I'm 𝙏𝙖𝙪 from Pakistan, and I joined this business, Mr. Oliver. He is a good boss.
Yes.
And already we work with a lot of companies here.
Yes.
But my question is, when we withdraw, can we withdraw in Tron, USDT Tron?
So at the moment, you can only withdraw in Bitcoin, but I do think that they will probably be opening that up for the Tron as well. But for now, all that I know is Bitcoin, the activation.
Yes, I start this business with 100 USDT, and I make a team around the world. A lot of pupils in Pakistan looking this good opportunity.
It is a good opportunity. Like I always tell people is if you can work yourself up into the incentives, and instead of like pocketing that bonus, rather like gifting somebody with that bonus, it definitely it pays off because that person maybe doesn't have the finances, but he's got the connections to bring this to light and to accumulate some Bitcoin.
Yeah, my today is in my account problem. When I log in my account, I put my username and password, but my account is not logged in. I set it 2FA today. I set 2FA authenticator today, but my account is not logged in.
Can you try, because that happened to me as well. If something like that happens, it's usually a glitch. Do you have a different email account that you can maybe retry that? Has it sent you a verification code as yet?
I set 2FA authenticator today. After set 2FA authenticator, my account is not logged in. No, show me wrong username password. No, username and password is correct, but not go to 2FA authenticators. So my account is not logged in today.
And tell me something, have you invested with them already? Have you invested in Bitcoin already? Or
yes,
you trying to get into it first?
But where is the company support?
So basically, they're in Panama. So let me show you here quickly. They do have a support email as well that I would be able to give. But like they said, where is it? Oh yeah, Panama, yeah, is it? So they are definitely like based in a place. And what's nice is I see a CEO, which I don't really see with projects like this. So basically, if it's doing that, then it must be. And you say you have set up the 2FA authenticator. Did it take it?
Yes.
Okay. So when you go in and you put in your username and your password, does it take you onto the login page? Into the
dashboard? Yes.
And then what does it say? And then does it not want
no
to
sign?
Activate?
No sign. No, come to again login user and password. Again to login user and password. Not go to dashboard.
I hear you. So it keeps you on that one page and it shows like orange on top or red on top. Am I correct?
And forget password option is not working.
Is it? Can I suggest you try to re-register but with a different email, because that happened exactly to me. Exactly the same thing happened to me. And then I just used a different email address and there it went right.
No different email. I use only one email. Okay. And I also tried to another PC. And I put username and password, but not access in my accounts.
Oh, and you have you transferred Bitcoin already into the site? Have you transferred Bitcoin? Have you bought a package?
Yes. I bought one package, $1,000.
When did you buy that, if I may ask?
No, understand. Tell me again.
So when did you purchase it? Was it within 48 hours? or was it last week?
I purchase, I think, tomorrow, today,
2 days ago.
not 40 hours.
Okay,
I think
so
only 24 hours.
okay, so just give it a little bit of time, because like I said, over here it does state that it takes 48 hours before it can before it activates. So if it takes 48 hours, it might reflect maybe all the end of tonight, or it will reflect by tomorrow. It should reflect your gains for that R1,000 gaining of 1% today.
But I am not able to log in my account.
Oh, you can't log in. It doesn't allow you to log in.
When I not set my 2FA, my account is no problem.
Okay.
My login and password is correct.
Yeah.
Today I set 2FA. When I set 2FA, then I try to log in. My account is not login. Go to dashboard.
Oh my goodness. Under whose referral did you go? Under Oliver?
Oliver. Yeah.
Is
my
it?
my upline is Oliver.
Have you reached out to Oliver about this as yet?
Yes. I
And-
tell my upline Oliver.
And has he not come back to you yet?
No, tell me. No. I think they're busy.
Okay. Just make sure, because like I said, otherwise it should be reflecting by the end of tonight, if you're lucky. It should, but you say you can't log in. So that must be obviously on the site's errors.
Okay, I contact Mr. Oliver.
Okay,
Make
I'm
him
sure he will
solve,
get back to you, because he always gets back, but I know he's also busy, but he usually always gets back to everybody that asks him for help. I will actually,
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I'll actually get in touch with him and also mention this so that he can resolve this problem for you. Usually it can be like a backlog, a glitch. Like I say, the internet's also so terrible, so it could be a glitch, but they usually sort it out very quickly.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
All righty, guys. So if you guys are interested in V8, like I said, one thing is a fact is that we need to, like I said, always do your due diligence, meaning always go and do your research. I personally, I use this as a quick gain, and with those profits, I would take those profits and throw a little bit back into the projects, and then with the rest of my profits, I'd usually diversify. So I hope that this was good value to you guys, and if there's any questions, please don't hesitate to reach me on 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙣 at in YouTube, and please go there, like and subscribe. And I do have a Telegram group as well. It's called 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙣 Following. More than welcome to join my group as well. And like I said, over there, it would be, I don't just speak about cryptocurrency. So I speak about cryptocurrency, and I speak about all kinds of things that's happening right now in the world. So I hope that you guys do enjoy and stay tuned. Thanks, guys.